KCET 2025 aspirants, so the round 2 results are out and now it's time to make a decision out of the 4 choices. So choice 2 and choice 3 are back. That is the good news. So in this video, so all the 3 choices, that is choice 1, choice 2 and choice 3 students have to make a payment. Okay, so in this video I am going to give you a detailed demo on how to do the payment. Whether you select choice 1, choice 2 or choice 3, the payment procedure will be same and I'll be showing you how to do the payment. Okay, so let's start this video. And here the first thing comes, there are certain important instructions regarding the payment. You should be checking on that. So first of all is the last date of fee payment is 2nd September 2025. There was no mention of the time in the schedule that was given, but here it is given 6 p.m. Okay, so please remember by 6 p.m. the payment should be done on 2nd of September. Okay, so today is 1st September. And I'll tell you, the KEA website has a lot of technical glitches, so please don't wait for the last moment. Complete the payment as soon as possible. If it is today it is possible, then please finish it today itself. Okay, and please watch this video, then you will get an idea how to do and then you can proceed. So now coming to the first thing here, so you have to download after you have selected a choice out of 4 choices. Here you can see the choice print option, and once you are done with the choice selection, then only this payment option will be active. And there are 2 payment options, download challenge and pay online option. Okay, so you can click on this download challenge. I'll explain you both the method. Okay, so once you click on this download challenge option, you will find this important instructions. Please remember. So first of all, I have already read the important instructions. I'll give you here the same which I posted it in the first slide. It is same here. I'll explain here now. The payment account should be in the name of the student or in the name of the parent. Okay, and the payment is to be made through NEFT or RTGS only. No IMPS payment is allowed. And then you have to check the beneficiary account number thoroughly before payment, and you have to wait for 4 hours after making the payment. So in case you have made the payment but it is not confirmed or any error is there but your money is deducted, please wait for 4 hours for the confirmation. Okay, and then you have to check this box, that is I have read and understood all the instructions, and then click on the proceed button. Okay, so now you have clicked to the proceed option. You will get an option to download the challenge. Okay, there will be 3 banks here. The first one is your Union Bank, then you have Bank of Baroda and HDFC Bank. You can select any bank. Now please remember, here you don't have to have an account in these banks to get or to pay the to download the challenge or to pay the fees. You may have any bank account but you can still pay in these banks. Okay, so click on the download challenge option, and after that you can see here on the right hand side all the details are mentioned of the student, which category you belong, what is your the college name and candidate's name, CT number, everything is mentioned. So just cross check it, and once this is done you will be able to download the challenge here. And here you will get 3 copies of challenge. The first one will be a bank copy, then student copy, and then you have college copy. Okay, so once you have done the payment you will get the student copy. So you have to go to the bank and do the payment. Whichever bank you have selected, there you have to go and do the payment. Okay, next we have is the online payment mode. Okay, so this is simple. You have to just click on pay online, and then you can find here different modes of payment. You have payment through UPI, payment through cards. Now if you see UPI, there are all the options are there: Google Pay, Phone Pay, Cred UPI, Paytm, apps and anything. You can select this and you can pay this. Okay, now there's a question about caution deposit. Caution deposit payment will also be according to the same process, but whether you will get a refund of that caution deposit or not if any seat is not allotted in round 3, about that there is no official update from KEA. Once they update it, we will definitely let you know. Okay, so that's all in this video. And yeah, one more thing is there. So once you have done the payment, you can find this download admission order option is there. So you can click on this and then download the admission order. So this is for choice 1 and choice 2 candidates. So you can just keep this, and then for choice 3 candidates it won't be available. You just have to pay the caution deposit, but for other it is there, and here you must check all the details are correct or not. Okay, Fine. So that's all in this video, students. So tomorrow 6 p.m. 3rd September 6 p.m. is the last date for payment of fees. Please do not delay this, because this is very, very important. Make sure you complete the payment well in advance. And the challenge was not download. There were some issues in the downloading before, but now it is easily getting downloaded. So please complete the payment process before today. Okay, means before tomorrow starts, please complete it today itself. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more doubts, please comment down. We'll definitely address it. All the best for the counseling process.